Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters
Finally.
from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Apalachicola. Moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Yay.
Source, radar indicator.
Special marine.
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include St. George Island and Apalachicola. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. These are the 2 p.m. Eastern.